Yung pwede niyang pasahan and let his initial defender take care of the work.
Martin Daes checking in for the first time. Papalitan si Lawrence Victoria. Kitang-kita mo, kamukha niya yung kapatid niya. No? Si Bea Daes, 37-30 our score, 3 minutes and 12 here in the second quarter.
Getting one up now over the Golden Coolers, who are at 4. Sario, that's a forced shot. Naiaambag dyan ang Makati Manila Kingpin. They turn it over on the first possession. FU stalwart also now in the match. Sobrevega attempts a 3, doesn't get it. Daes ends up with the leather. Bis Valencia. That's another attempt and another miss para kay Larry. Daes gets the contact and the deuce. Martin Daes finishing. And one opportunity. 2+1 special coming right up. Absorbing it and getting it. 2 points and a chance for one more para kay Martin Daes. Martin has only played almost 7 minutes per ball game. Averaging 1.2 points, 15 points in this game. Thais Troy Malilin for second best scoring honors sa kanilang koponan. Of course, Lawrence Victoria leads the pack at 18 points. Golden Coolers come up with another steal. Shiz on the other side for the reverse. 7 points now in the game. Daes gives it up. Bienes banks it off the glass.
Grabs the rebound. Nauna na si Lasco. Lasco nakabuelo. Damian Lasco.
Somebody lost the shoe.
Somebody lost counter here. 75-71. Martin Daes lost the shoe, challenging. Ito si Damian Lasco.
Fourth, enjoying a 5-point lead so far. This is a crucial stop para sa Rizal. And there it is.
They get the steal. Jordan Martinez. Serrano nasa harap niya. They go down low to Fabro. Tapped away by Daes. Serrano makes his move on the sidestep. Jerickson
Completes the play. Caloocan with a 2-point lead.
5.5 minutes remaining dito sa ating third quarter. Rios.
Ra Flores tsaka Aguirre. Konting iskisan sa poste. Ayaw na patanggapin ni Ra Flores.
Daes. Back to Gob. Gob spins. Gob puts it in. Gob, the tip in. Wala. Rebound Santos. Quickly to Laude. Laude takes on 2 players and Gob again.
Second block.
Yeah. Both on Laude. Ito'y dalawa sila ni Daes. They've changed the game here. Daes and Gob.
You know, playing their first professional season dito sa MPBL. Rios for 3. Pasok!
Tweedy Santos. Lasco is there. There's a turnover.
Go with the tap right there. And they get the stop.
Caballero.
Good pass.
Swings it over. Daes is open for 3. Pasok yan! Martin Daes!
Just like that.
Rizal with a quick 7-0 burst right in the first minute of the second half.
So whatever Coach Jonathan Banal said, clearly his adjustment was a change of lineup. It was working. It is working. And what a start in less than 2 minutes to be back in the game instantly.
Except for that still good run dito ni Bienes. Caballero pa naman, hindi pwedeng hindi makita yung mga ganong cuts ng kakampi niya for that pass.
That's the first 2 points in the third quarter. Yung layup ni Ray Bienes. Sean Laban for 3. That's short. Rebound Daes. Great energy being provided by Martin Daes off the bench. Caballero looking ahead. Oh, another beautiful pass to Benitez.
Grabe yung pinasa doon ni Caballero. Para to everything ito Rizal is doing right now.
47-34. Pass inside. Turnover. Another chance for Rizal to increase that lead. Caballero stops and pops, and that's good.
An important weapon for any point guard. That dribble pull. Hindi yoyo niya yung kanyang layup. Caballero at isaw, yung pumipenetrate, lumilayup, kailangan din niya yun.
6 points in the ball game for Keanu Caballero alongside his four assists. 41-32. Sean Laban, the drive, met by multiple defenders. Naibalik sa kanya with 5 seconds on the shot clock now. Tough fade. Great block right there by Jonicio.
Ganda ng dinipensa doon ng Rizal. Ang ganda ng mga rotation sa penetration, helping each other out.
On the other end, Mark Benitez off a good pass from Martin Daez.
So, good defense.
And hook shot is too strong by Aguirre. And here comes Sean Laban. You know he is very quick. Laban, tough layup. Ball outside. And it will remain with Laguna. Forward pass, Laban, who has been aggressive in this game. Too strong on the layup.
Medyo may bit of out of control na yung kanyang talon doon eh.
Oh, what a pass by Caldoso. Locating Daez. The whole bench of Rizal has been wanting Daez to score.
Kasi sa score sheets, bilugan, tas 0. Diba? Lagyan mo naman, double 0 na yun.
Naisip mo pa yun, Coach
Kanina ko pa iniisip yun, di ko lang ma-champion
Ngayon mo lang nasabi.
Oh. Kaya kailangan mo yung mga third group guys. No, bilugan is not a third group guy. Di ba? Parang siya starter pa.
The other end we go. Enzo Hoson. He's gonna go all the way. Left-hander is no good.
Tama naman yung buelo na ginawa niya. He made sure he was gonna get off with a good balance and that strong finish.
Casajeros, another steal. Daez looking ahead. He needs a teammate. There's Mark Benitez. Bienes tried to go to the same play. That time it was denied. 1 minute to go in the first. Wow, that's another beautiful cut. And the feed from Mark Benitez to Martin Daez.